Hello, hello, my fellow weirdos. Ashley here once again to talk to you about summer fun. We all love having fun in the sun, but unfortunately, the sun is too hot for us at times. So all week on my Facebook and Twitter, I have been doing a little game to try and get people to guess what the oil is this week, basing it just on that topic with a few hints on where the oil came from, this one was USA, so it came right from here. So this week we're talking about peppermint. So what I love about peppermint is it is really good for head tension. So a lot of times, we have fun in the sun and then our heads start hurting. So I like to just swoosh it across the forehead to help soothe that down and calm it down a bit. Another good way is to open up your sinuses. So I like to put a drop in the palm of my hand, rub it together and breathe it in for a bit. If I do really deep breaths, I can actually feel my sinuses opening up and it's like all the way down to the lungs. It's a really sweet feeling. I highly recommend trying it out sometime. But our main course to talk about is a recipe I made called Cool Me Down Spray. Basically, that one is in a 4-ounce spray bottle. So in that 4-ounce glass spray bottle, you're going to put 10 drops of peppermint in there. And then you're going to do a teaspoon of witch hazel, which doesn't come out very well because I have yellow on white, or white on yellow, sorry. So you're going to do that, and then the rest of it you're going to fill up with water. You can do tap water or distilled, whichever you prefer. I prefer to do tap because it's easier to deal with, and I am one lazy person. So the reason why we're doing witch hazel in there is because witch hazel is actually really good for your skin. It also enhances a little bit of the benefits of peppermint, making it cool down and give you that tingling sensation a little bit better. We also put it in there because oils tend to not get along with water. So if you do peppermint and water straight, chances are you are going to get a burning sensation, which is not what we want. So when you add witch hazel to the mix, it actually makes the two get along better, and then you can do whatever you want with it and be just fine. So that's why we do that. If you're doing like a bath, we tend to do Epsom salt with the oil just to make them mix together a little bit better. But witch hazel is the go-to for the Cool Me Down spray. So again, it's 10 drops peppermint, 1 teaspoon of witch hazel, and then the rest with water in a 4-ounce glass spray bottle. So that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys are having an awesome July and a really good summer vacation so far, and I will see you guys next week. In the meantime, keep being your awesomely weird selves. Bye!